Hello there, fabulous people. Welcome to my channel. I would like to personally welcome you to the All Things Fab family. From my kitchen to yours, I will be showing you some fabulously delicious meals and mouth-watering recipes from all around the world. You can expect to see lots and lots of cooking. There would be lots of baking, roasting, oh yes, stir frying, summer drinks which are my favorite, and my absolutely favorite cocktails. It will be superbly delicious. I will upload a brand new video every single Friday. That's once a week. So welcome to the family, and please click that notification bell and do subscribe. Thanks. See you around. Bye-bye.